everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. I'm currently driving to my next destination in Sicily, guys. Let me show you a little bit of this nice footage here. You can see a little bit of the beach, the sea outside. We have very good weather here. We're gonna have now a nice Bitcoin price update, guys, because right now Bitcoin, as expected, is having a nice bounce, and as you can see, we are now pushing towards our short-term resistance at around $119,000. And right now it looks like the Bitcoin has the chance, of course, to have a V-shaped recovery, hopefully, and of course see a nice continuation to the upside. So I am currently long. I also bought more in, guys, not only into Bitcoin, but also into different altcoins, especially Ethereum, since I still believe that Ethereum is going to new all-time highs in a not so distant future. Let's go down a bit here, guys. Let me show you also Ethereum, because as you can see also here, we are nicely pushing higher again, and I believe that the correction could be almost over and that we could be seeing new all-time highs also here for Ethereum in the next coming days and weeks. So watch out for that, guys. We are currently in this correction phase, and of course what we need now is not a lower high, but a higher high. So we need, of course, to have at least, let me go over to the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour closes here above this price level, the previous high at around $4,650. If we manage to do that, then I think that we're gonna see here new all-time highs in a not so distant future, guys. So yes, I bought more into Ethereum, into Tron. Now of course waiting here for things to look better and of course to skyrocket, in my opinion, of course, guys. So all no financial advice as always, but I think that the correction is almost over, and therefore of course we have to watch out what is going on with Bitcoin and with Ethereum, which is currently front running the altcoin season. And that's why if you plan to buy more into altcoins, I think that this is the time. Of course, no financial advice, but this is just my own opinion, guys. And that's why currently I'm sitting in a long position. I'm doing some scalp trading, of course, as well, going a little bit short and long. And at the same time, of course, I'm buying also into new cryptos that are coming out during this phase. We have different ones that are very hyped, like Bitcoin Hyper, Token 6900, and so on. Check them out here in the video description, guys, and of course also all exchanges that I'm using, Bybit, Binance, VMAX. You can check them out, guys. Sign up with my links to get extra deposit bonus. And there is also one in specific here, this Deep Snitch is a completely new one that I just bought, guys. And remember, of course, everything is very high risk. It's just my own opinions, no financial advice. You don't have to be following me, but I like to buy into new low market cap coins whenever we are entering into an altcoin season. And in my opinion, we are in one right now, since the Bitcoin dominance is falling. And also into this Deep Snitch, guys, as you can see, we are coming to an end of the first stage. So the first stage is coming to an end of the pre-market phase. Every time we enter into a new stage, the price keeps going up until the last stage, which will be at around 5 cents. Right now we are at 1.5 cents. That's why I bought also into Deep Snitch. And right now, of course, I'm waiting here for this one to launch. So what we can do, of course, is just buy, stake, and wait for the launch. This is going to be a new AI system, a new AI platform here in the crypto space. And of course, right now we have also many articles coming out, getting featured in different crypto websites such as Crypto News, Coin Market Cap, Coin Speaker, and so on. So yes, I'm diversifying also into new coins like this. And of course, Bitcoin Hyper, guys, that is currently going above 10 million. So let me refresh that, because I see that also the stake rewards are going down. It's only at 108% right now, because it just broke 10 million. This is crazy, guys. I'm gonna do an update video on Bitcoin Hyper as well, because I can imagine that right now the hype around Bitcoin Hyper is similar to the hype that we had back in the days in previous bull runs with Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, and so on. And of course also with this one here, with this new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin, could be releasing basically a new hype around those layer 2s on Bitcoin, like the Lightning Network, Optimism, and so on. So currently I'm buying into all of those alts. My goal is, of course, to make as much gains as possible during this altcoin season, and like that, of course, be able to buy more Bitcoin also in the next bear markets, which in my opinion also will come at some point. And that's why currently I'm also putting some of my money into those new coins. And of course, for Bitcoin and in general for the crypto market, we need first, of course, to see again higher highs here in the short term, to then also be more bullish for the long term. Because remember, in the higher time frames we are of course still bullish. We still are in this huge uptrend, guys, And as long as we are in this huge uptrend, of course, we should expect Bitcoin to go to much higher levels, at least in my opinion, of course, guys. So make sure to be subscribed to this channel. Check out all links in the video description, guys. I salute you here from Taormina and from Sicily. I'm gonna show you some nice footage, of course, in my future videos and also shorts. So that's why be tuned in and subscribe here to get most of it, and of course also to see most of the country here. And make sure to enjoy your vacation, your summer vacation, wherever you are. So I salute you guys from this bumpy ride right now.